According to recent news, according to recent update, Terra Classic is facing more crash. Yes, Terra Classic is facing more crash. We all know what happened before, but this time around, this coin is facing more crash, and there's a possibility that this coin, Terra Classic, is going to lose more. In fact, so many people have already predicted that the market cap that is trading at $360 million before the end of next month, which is September. Okay, before the end of September, before we enter the Ember month, before we enter October 1st, there's a possibility that we might end up seeing just $150 million or $100 million market cap. Now imagine Terra Classic trading at $100 million market cap. In fact, Terra Classic just need to drop about $30 million more in order for it to be that Terra Classic is now back to square one where they started. Now, what do I mean by this? Terra Classic market cap was trading with over $40 billion. Then when this coin crashed, what happened was that Terra Classic dropped within 2 days, within 48 hours, and the market cap that was trading at about $45 billion dropped to about $330 million, between $300 to $330 million market cap. They started preaching the gospel of helping this coin to revive. They started preaching the gospel of not giving up. Then Binance came in, started showing great concern on Terra Classic. People were like, okay, let's see, let's get hope. It actually dropped to nothing. Let me just buy in case if the coin rises back, I might end up still making back my capital, my investment, or more profit. That took Terra Classic market cap to about $500 million. Before you know it, the market cap started increasing to $800 million, to $1 billion, to $1.2 billion, to $1.3 billion market cap. In fact, the market cap went up to hit over $3 billion market cap, which took Terra Classic to the top 32 crypto coins with the highest market cap. It seems then that, like as if everything was okay, it seems as if Terra Classic was never going to drop again. It will continue to pump, it will continue to rise every day. Before you know it, Luna dropped over half of that market cap and $1.2 billion market cap. Today we are talking about just $360 million market cap. So Luna have really lost a lot. Over 2.7, let's say almost $2.7 billion has actually been taken out of the market cap since the past 7 to 8 months. So imagine a coin that hits over 3 billion dropping to 360. It might continue to drop to 15 million if nothing is. In fact, if there's something they were supposed to do, they would have done it since. So that is why I keep telling people it will be difficult for Terra Classic this time around. But let's hope and see how it goes. Please like the video, share your comment, and share your views and your ideas, what you think about Terra Classic LLC.